Hello and welcome everyone to the stream. Today we have severe weather really all over. Like near New York and stuff. West Virginia, North Carolina, a lot of places. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get this stream started. So let me very quickly show you what we added. As I said, I will be adding a lot more to the stream soon, and I did. So I added tornado warning, thunderstorm warning, and you can of course just go back to the normal. But let's get the stream going. Alright, so yeah, I'm just going to leave it at here real quick, and like I said, I will be right back. Give me like 1 minute. Alright everyone, we're back. Welcome back to the stream right now. Welcome everyone. Let me get my chat set up so that I can monitor that. Alright, so let's start around this. So we have some flood warnings. I know red is flood and not tornado, which is kind of weird. I'm gonna change that if I can. But there's many severe thunderstorm warnings, sorry. So let's just turn that on. Let's actually shrink that down just a little bit. It's quite a bit. For for areas around Bedford, sorry, I had a spelling error in my title. Sorry about that. So we're going to get started here today. Let's check. Okay. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from. So there's a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Cambria to Westmont, moving it east at 15 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Johnstown, Westmont, Windber, Edensburg, Belmont, Nancy Glo, Portage, North Cambria, Geyestown, Southmont, Patton, and Cresson. As I said, severe thunderstorm warning for those areas there. So stay away from windows, seek shelter. Stay away from windows, seek shelter, and get to the lowest floor of a building. If you're outside, get into a ditch and cover your head. You could possibly get struck by lightning. And also stay away from metallic or any kind of thing that could possibly be struck by lightning. But the ideal thing to do if you're outside is just kind of like stay out. Try to find a place where you can seek shelter, ideally inside or a cave, something like that would be good. Anyways, let's check the velocity on this storm. I had no idea all this was here until I check the radar whenever I was adding all that like severe thunderstorm and tornado watch and all that stuff in. I didn't realize anything was here at all, because earlier whenever I checked, there's nothing. So, alright, I'm not really seeing any rotation like around the storm apart from kind of like right here. Maybe some rotation right here, but I think you seem fine there, so yeah, so we'll monitor this rotation here, because if I'm being honest, you are kind of, it could come out depending on where the storm's actually headed. Yeah, so I mean maybe, but chances are probably nothing. So, but it would be if it was a tornado, which I highly doubt it will be. I mean, there's a possibility. It will be rain wrapped, so look out for that as well. So, also, if we move up to, let's move up to this one right here to get more accurate for this. This is kind of like, yeah, like a line of storms here as well. Really no rotation either, except for, what, stop that there. Pretty much no rotation apart from like right here, just this general area, but it's not tight at all, and it's not really on the edge, so you should be fine there. But before we say you're fine, let's just go ahead and check. I mean, the only area of concern I'm seeing right now, right here, could form into a hook, because we're starting to see inflow here. Could expand, move into here. As you can see, orange around, just yellow. That's what you call inflow. So possibility there. So also flood warnings scattered along right here. As you can see, we have nothing too bad, just like I said, like flood warnings. There's really kind of there's also some storms down in Kansas, which we're going to go take a look at real quick. First, let's check for velocity. Not really seeing anything. Alright, let's go check. Yeah, here. Let's okay. Alright, let's check velocity here across the storm. See if we have any rotation here. Oh, okay. And we're going to track that, because that could very well be a tornado. Not on the ground yet. But I might switch over to the tornado warning. Well, there's not a tornado there's not actually a tornado warning, but I would say this looks like a very big situation for a tornado. As you can see, very strong, let's redo that. Very strong velocity here. So, and as well as you can see, if we go to reflectivity, there is some part coming out, as well as hail here, and lots of inflow. So, possible tornado here. We're going to have to keep a lookout right here, because I'm not going to lie, that really does look like an area of tornado. So, keep an eye out for that. But honestly, our main storms are really all up here, but like, we can take a break for those real quick. Because as I said, like, this really could be a tornado, so you guys need to account for that. if you are in locations such as near Hutchinson, McPherson, Highway 81 or Interstate 81, I'm not sure, Burton and Hutchinson, Sand Hills State Park, or anywhere like in that area, does look like there's not actually like any like homes here maybe, but yeah, that could it just really looks like a tornado, if I'm being honest. And if it was, which it wouldn't be a tornado yet, but there'd be a blue spot here on the correlation coefficient. So let's keep an eye on this couplet's only getting tighter. That is not looking good. So where are we? Hutchinson. Let's go ahead and check for Hutchinson. I'm just going to go ahead and put a tornado warning on the screen, and show this. Hold on. Okay. Hutchinson. Not Hutchinson is not what we really need. We just need to see McPherson. Okay, yeah, actually there is some housing here. So if you are in this general area, you need to take cover, because there is, if you are in this general area, you need to take cover, get to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building, and wait until warning expires or is canceled. As I said, there is no warning yet, but if that develops in the way that it is, if it develops in the way that I think it will, that'll most likely be a tornado. So they will most likely add a warning to that if it develops. If you are outside, find a building or get into a ditch and cover your head. Get to the lowest spot you can, honestly. Yeah, for this general area, like I said, like, you gotta be careful here. Okay. Sand Hills State Park. Check the velocity scan. Okay, we're still kind of seeing some rotation in this area, which even though the purple's here, doesn't change it. Purple means that it can't detect what's there, and by the looks of things, we haven't gotten a new radar scan yet. Oh, we just did, yeah. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so that was our last radar scan. So we are still seeing some of that, and the inflow did kind of just shift directions. So, but as I said, that could still make out a hook like that. Let's check velocity once again. See, still rotation right here. I'm gonna keep the tornado warning up there just because that could be a tornado. Let's check what's going on down here. Yeah, hail and lots of lightning strikes. Severe thunderstorm warning. Hello? Alright, everyone. Sorry about that. I am back. Yeah, as I was saying, severe thunderstorm warning for here. Let's turn that back on. Might as well. But let's actually... Don't know why this isn't severe thunderstorm warning yet. Or this, jeez, they are not on it. Call this severe thunderstorm watch and warning and not this. I mean, I guess there's not really too much hail associated with that, so who knows. This is still kind of developing, possibly into, could be a funnel cloud at this point in time. Oh, this isn't severe thunderstorm. Okay. Yeah, it's still kind of a funnel cloud here, so who knows, that could develop into a it could be a funnel cloud right now. Let's check for the reports or anything. Let's just wait for the next radar scan, see if anything new pops up. There is also some hail here, so but let's head back over here. Also some storms in Cincinnati, near Cincinnati. Near Lexington, there is a severe thunderstorm watch here. Okay, and one just now got issued for Cave Run Lake and for I wish it would show. Why doesn't it show highways anymore? Huh. That's weird. But yeah. Severe thunderstorm watch here. I'm not quite sure what they're going off of. I know this is gonna move in. Okay. So yeah, and we're gonna, like I said, continue. Let's track velocity real quick. We should have just gotten a new radar scan actually. So let's check back down here and see what we have. Let's see where we saw that. Yeah. Wait, what? I'm not quite sure where that went. Wait, am I in the wrong spot or something? Because we had an entire wall there. Let me go to composite. It could have been composite, but yeah, we completely lost that. So, but I have no idea what happened there. Pretty much all of that just changed, and it's cause we did see a possible tornado up here, and then all of a sudden it's all gone. That's weird. Oh, it could have been because we weren't at the same radar station. I believe you were down in this one. Yeah, that was it. See, we still see that in this one. But if we get out and go back to high definition, well, high definition isn't as accurate as a nearby station, but okay. And hail is falling. I did not realize that. So yeah, hail is falling as of right now. Let's go back to another spot rotation. located right about here. Let's head back to velocity. Right here, I would say. Some rotation, not tight yet. Either right here, kind of right there, but not really. I would say mainly right here, some rotation. No, not really, nothing there. Yeah, see. Oh, new radar scan. Oh, no, that's the same one. Well, now we're seeing rotation again on the radar in the exact same spot. And we're on the latest radar scan. So, I mean, really kind of unpredictable here. But there is, once again, still some inflow. This could develop into a hook and practically the exact same spot. So, that is pretty crazy. Could actually be tornado on the ground. Most likely not, but yeah, no. Let's head back. Ooh, there's a storm right here. Is there any other storms like anywhere? There's another storm out here, as well as right here. Yes. And they just added a new severe thunderstorm watch here. Or just now for Norman, okay. Or no, that's where it was. Radar indicated here. Great thunderstorm warning. Sorry about that. It always does that. There's a thunderstorm warning for yeah. Are we? Yeah, that's in Oklahoma. Okay. Let's check velocity scan. No rotation. No tight rotation, at least. So let's head back up to the storm system that was up here, because this could probably be our main concern today, because there is tons of storms developing from every which way. Okay. Let's check down at this one to give better insight of what's down here. Yeah, there's kind of surprised there's not marine warnings. Most of the time there is marine warnings, even if there's like nothing out there. So it's kind of surprising. We have aerial flood warnings all along here, as well as one flood warning, or flash flood warning, sorry, here. So yeah, let's check velocity here as well and see if we have anything. I highly doubt that there will be any tornadoes associated with the storm up here, because it's not really in the path of the jet stream. Just move it right here. Small rotation right here and right here. It's got to be nothing though. I mean, let's see, but I would say it's probably nothing, yeah. See, I mean, that could, but no. Let's go back to velocity. Yeah, so let's take a look here. Lots of lightning strikes here. Okay, good. That is severe thunderstorm warned. That is good. As well as right here's a little bit of rotation. I was gonna say something right here, but no, just not really. These should be expiring soon, actually. They expire at 6:30. I would cancel those or make those expire just a little bit faster. I mean, sure, you can keep it at 22 minutes, 21 minutes, sorry, or 22, yeah. What do we have here? Okay, so for severe thunderstorm warning, let's check velocity real quick here. Any kind of rotation for me apart from here, because I don't think that's anything. Yeah, see, it's just picking up some hail. Or not hail, sorry. What do you call it? Forgot what it's called. Swallow some rotation here. But that's, like I said, probably nothing. So let's take a look at it. Yeah, no. Let's head back down to the Kansas storm and see if that tornado-looking thing that I thought developed. Okay, and there is now a aerial flood warning in that exact spot that I was thinking about tornadoes for. So that's kind of annoying. Velocity, let's see if we can see anything. It's kind of hard to see with this warning over here, but our tornado area that we figured was around right here. And by the looks of things, not really anything there. Let's actually head here and go to warnings, fill shapes, no. I mean, yeah, but warning opacity, we'll just keep it at that. Okay. Check velocity again now that we can see. No rotation anymore. That is good. Okay. Okay, so that's how that storm is developing. I might end the stream here soon because I have to go eat dinner. So let's actually check out this rotation down here. Okay, and we just now got a severe thunderstorm warning. Oh my gosh, I always say watch. Right there. Literally quite literally as I said that. So let's check that out. That was pretty cool, actually. Yeah, so there's severe thunderstorm warning for down here. Might end the stream, like I said, in the next 5 to 10 minutes, probably 5 minutes, because I have to go eat dinner. But in Turon, Stafford, and Highway 50, there is a severe thunderstorm warning. So if you're in that area, severe thunderstorm warning, stay away from the windows, get to the lowest floor of a building, seek shelter immediately, and if you are outside, get into a ditch and cover your head. Yeah, and also stay away from metallic objects that could possibly get struck by lightning. Stay as far away from those as you can. And as I was saying, We are back, everyone. Sorry about that. My Wi-Fi just cut out. But we are back, and I'm going to end the stream, like, as of probably, like, right now, actually. It's 6:15 p.m. Central Time. Whatever time you guys are at, I like using Central, because it's, I don't know, the center of the United States, I don't know. There's also a few more thunderstorm warnings down here. And I could be back, later tonight if these storms develop into something, a little bit worse than, just hail, not hail, than just kind of buckets of rain, because as of right now, there is some hail and stuff, but mainly just quite a bit of rain, like as of, actually, sorry, excuse me, where did that go? Very heavy winds here for Huntington. There you will experience up to 60-mile-per-hour winds, maybe. Sorry, I had to sneeze. Okay, probably up to 50 to 60-mile-per-hour winds. So that's something to look out for. Let's check here in Binghamton for anything. Nothing. And let's end the stream off by taking a look at velocity to see any rotation. Tiny little rotation spots here. Nope. Here. No. Yeah, no. There's not really any rotations except for right here. Rotation, sorry. And that's nothing. And let's check down here as well. I'm going to end the stream here probably at 5 minutes maybe. So yeah, that's pretty much all the storms. Let's just make sure, do a final check, and that aerial flood warning is huge now. It's gotten a lot bigger. As well as severe thunderstorm warning here. Let's check this rain. Alright, so I'm going to end the stream here, guys. But I might be back. I'm not sure. I'll try, if it develops into something more than just kind of buckets of rain, hail, and lightning, which is still really bad, don't get me wrong, I will come back, and I might come back after I eat dinner, but, anyways, thank you guys. If you guys tuned into the live stream, thank you. If you did enjoy the live stream, if you want to, you can share it to your family member, your friends and family, so that if they're ever in a situation where they need assistance with weather, they can also see these live streams. If you really enjoyed it, you can like and subscribe. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this stream, and I will